This is gonna taste like ass, that's why.
Woke up hella late. And it's already 8. Wow. So I'm gonna take my time because I'm already late. So I made it 8:04. I got an email from my counselor that they were able to register me into the class I wanted. I don't even know what class I'm in. It's there. I have lectures. 12:45 is the day I have Zoom. It starts in a month. January 4th. What did he say? I wasn't listening. He said something about the judicial branch. He's going over stuff for what the final's gonna be on, but it's 9:01 and we're still in Zoom. It's been an hour. I know he's presenting again. No, I started at 8.
Oh, I thought you started at 8.
No.
And now we're in a minute.
Yes.
Mom just brought me coffee.
This is human food, not cat food.
Finally editing. I'm almost done. I'm on the outro. So I'm in the baby's room just because it's dark in my room, but I uploaded my video. It'll be up at 12:15. Hi. You are so pretty. My mom and I are filming sushi after everybody's done with Zoom. So me and Sonia are making my dad this bread bowl with cheese and scrambled eggs. Sonia found it on
5 Minute Crafts.
on 5 Minute Crafts. She watches those a lot, and so we're gonna make it for my dad because she really wanted to. So what you're going to need is these breads, whatever, like that are like a bowl. Cheese, we're gonna grate it, and ham,
An egg.
and an egg. So I'm gonna get a plate, and then I'm going to grate this, and then you can put it on top of it. I would let you grate it, but I don't want you to hurt yourself. So.
Yeah.
Does he need? Daddy likes a lot of cheese. We should do a lot. I'm gonna set it up like this so that you can see what we're doing. If you want to stand, Sonia, you can stand so they can see you. Okay, so I'll let you scoop out the bread. Okay. Just a little bit of the top. Sonia will scoop this out. Go ahead. Not too much because you don't want it to go all the way to the bottom. Go ahead.
Like right, like,
Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah. And then you just take it out. Keep going.
Whoa.
Do it over here on the side. All right, now we're gonna do the ham. Oh.
Oh.
You put the ham first, right? Not the egg?
Yeah, the ham
Okay,
first.
here. I'm gonna get another piece.
Ah.
Here. You wanna try?
Oh, I'm scared.
Yeah. Try it.
How?
Put it on the counter. Look, I'll put it for you. Now put your thumbs like this and crack.
I'm scared.
Why did you do that?
Never done that before. Wait.
Don't be shy with it. Daddy likes cheese.
I know.
I like cheese.
Tell me when to stop.
You like that? More?
Like, drip it over.
Like over here?
Yeah.
Okay, now we're just gonna wait for that to preheat and then I'll throw it in. Okay, so this is done. It didn't melt!
What?
It literally, I could, look it. It didn't melt. And we did it for 10 minutes.
I think we should take the
Top off?
yeah.
Yeah, I agree. Let's do this again.
Because only the edges did.
For whatever reason, it's not like cooking. So we're just leaving it. We're also still filming sushi. We're gonna go pick it up in 10 minutes. So. Okay, so this is cooked. I had to nuke it in the microwave because it literally wouldn't cook. I don't know what's wrong. The bread is hella hard now. I mean, the inside is soft. The outside isn't. But like, what bread bowl is soft? So I'm gonna give it to him. Yeah. Oh yeah, it is cooked. Cool. So this is the updated. It looks so pretty. Now I'm gonna set up.
Well, you did this one? You did this because I gave you help, huh? Hmm? You did these two because I already have them for you? Yeah. They already have words, or did you put those? Okay. So then, don't you have to write the present?
Oh, you can barely see me. I just stepped on water. Great. I'm currently taking out the trash. I was helping Celine with her work, and then I was just like chilling, doing nothing, because I already finished my work. Dang, look how black that is.
So, what had happened was, I just grabbed this, I threw it in, and then I come and there's this much. Well, it should have been this, so it should be this whole thing.
Yep.
14 ounces.
I tried so much.
This is gonna taste like ass, that's why.
So I completely didn't vlog when I went out with my mom right now, or really anything. Today's just a really chill vlog, which is cool because they've been really long and hectic the past few days. But I went live, and I'm thinking of going live like every 2 days. I don't know. You let me know if you want to see more lives, because I will. I'm making coffee. My mom was making this forever ago. I recorded it, but we went to get food, so.
Sometimes I just put that and almond milk, and then I taste it, and if it's fine, then I leave it.
Okay.
I put sugar for that.
I use this long spoon so I don't lose my spoon. Let's try without sugar. Yeah. Okay. That's not bad. I'm helping my sister with her math.
This is what we have to hear all
All the time. Hi. Oh.
She bit my camera last time. Oh, he got her ear. He got her ear.
Wait, which one is it? This one? This one, yeah.
Little but loud.
Oh, I broke the whole thing.
Oops. It's all right. It's all right.
Oh, it's stuck. Oh.
Wait, what? Same?
Why do you always get tie-dye?
Up to no good. Look how cute.
That's so cute. I got tall ones yesterday too. You saw.
Wow.
So cute. It's midnight. Me and my mom just drank coffee. We're gonna empty the den right now. I heard, has Dutch. This is the room right now. That's where we sit while we film.
I see. Like, this came out of my bedroom when we redid it. That came out of the baby's room when we redid it.
Yeah, like a lot of this was the catch-all room. You know, like how you have that one chair in your room? This is that chair.
Yeah, because we did every room in the house but this.
And then all of the rooms, like these are mine. Like everything that we don't want is in here.
Look.
Because nobody uses this
These
room.
aren't mine. Oh, shark costume? That's not mine. Like,
yeah, so
that's not mine.
that's the explanation that this room isn't always this bad. Or it wasn't ever this bad. It's just because we did all the rooms. And yeah. This is the room right now. Tomorrow we're going to paint. We're going to actually take everything out. This is trash, this whole thing. Not the printers, these. And this is a mukbang table. bed that we're getting rid of too, mukbang table, and my mom's desk. She's gonna keep that in here. And then we're gonna rip out the carpet tomorrow and paint tomorrow. Okay, it is like 2 in the morning right now. Literally, the house is dead silent, and I just finished editing. Yo, you can see me. I just finished editing this vlog, and yeah. Oh, I'm literally tired. I'm just gonna end it here. If you made it to the end, let me know. If you made it to the end, let me know your favorite kind of chapstick. I have a lot. I have Carmex, I have Aquaphor, I have Vaseline, I have Soft Lips, I have Blistex. I'm gonna go wash my face and brush my teeth and all that. And tonight I'm watching Mickey's Once Upon a Christmas. So yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.